You are looking around at all your old accessories and try to figure out something fun to do to them. This one you may love. I'm going to show you how to do something really cute to this. Lots of people have these type dishes with all of this. It's a cute shape. I just don't like this ornate piece, but if you do, that's okay. I'm going to show you how to make this look a little softer and a little less old world using the beautiful warm white called antique white in our gel stain. I'll show you how to really update this piece and give it that farmhouse look in just a brush stroke or two. So just brushing this on. Remember, this is not our whitewash antiquing, although it works the same. The difference is solvent-borne products, so there's a little smell involved here. It's not going to clean up with water. Using a terry cloth rag, and I'm going to create a little texture with this terry cloth. I'm going to show you how to add this beautiful band of cowhide to this. I'm going to show you how I made this band. One used for the color card for all-in-one paint. Laid this down, and this was the perfect band width that I needed, and made a little pattern out of that. Took a Sharpie here, drew it off, just traced around this the width that I needed, created basically a long, skinny belt. This is the best cement ever for gluing leather, and it works like a rubber cement.
Barge is the brand. All-purpose cement.
I'm just going to black that edge. It's easy to do with our little brush here, with our detail brush. Just lightly brush the edges of it all the way around. So I wanted to seam this, because this is two parts, in an area that's kind of the least noticeable. Let's just get it started. Start positioning it where you want it. You can do it out of a number of different things. You can even use fabrics and do this. It doesn't have to be cowhide necessarily. All right, so there you go. It's a little cowhide tray. So I'm going to cut this off where these two come together here. It's pretty good.
So at this point, you could go around with black if you needed to.
Yes, and I probably will cut this edge here just to darken it. Let's do that, because I want it to be a little sharper right now. Notice the edge. There, that looks much better, much cleaner. The original all-in-one paint, often imitated but never duplicated. Why settle for less? Follow us here for more DIY inspiration and tutorials.